I had a person with the county extension office get a hold of me about these oak trees that look like they're dying. And apparently this is cicada damage. The cicadas will chew or bore or dig into the bark, and they'll lay their eggs, and then that kills those branches. The tree itself is still alive. You can see here there are still some green leaves on that one, and this one. They just look like crap, and it'll probably set them back for a year or two on their growth. So I was the first one that called her. I don't know what that is. It looks like coyote poop or dog poop. That was awful big. Anyway, that was the update on the dead trees. But you could see dead leaves all up in there. Same thing, cicada damage. Look at that one there, it's got a bunch. So, anyway,